boosts strength and dexterity wherever you are. This hand grip kit is a compact training solution for everyone. This is item 68786. You get a 2-pack of these hand grip strengthening kits. They're ideal for athletes, musicians, office workers, recovering from injury, or just to strengthen your grip. So you get with it, you get the hand grip, and this is adjustable from 5 to 60 kilograms. Built-in counter tracking on it too, right? And it tells you like how many times I believe you've done that, or does it not?
Oh,
No.
yeah, it's at the bottom.
Little built-in tracking. Keep track of your reps. Non-slip handle. So this also includes a finger exercise. The grip ring. What was that one? That one's the finger stretcher.
Ooh.
Which is really good for a lot of like arthritis or hand issues. Then it has the finger exerciser, just do that, and then the stress ball. I'm gonna need this. It feels really good. It comes all in a little drawstring carrying bag. You do get a set of 2, work both hands at once, or give one to a friend. This can be yours for $24.99.